Greetings viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Eddy Vision, the channel where we look at sports differently. Now, Jamaican reggae boy Shamar Nicholson has been nominated at his club Spartak Moscow for Player of the Season. Having moved from the Belgian Premier League to the Russian Premier League, he has made an immediate impact. As a January transfer, we know it always takes a little while for players to settle. But Shamar Nicholson immediately hit the ground running and was on the score sheet week in, week out for Spartak, helping them to lift a silverware in his first season. Now Shamar Nicholson will have some stiff competition from his teammates. So let's get into the nominees. First nominee is Georgie, a 28-year-old centre-back. Georgie had played 39 games for Spartak this season, getting 1 goal and 1 assist. Second nominee, Aleksandr, a 25-year-old centre-forward. Aleksandr made 35 appearances for Spartak, scoring 14 goals and wrapping up 5 assists. Third on the list, QUINCY, a 30-year-old left winger. QUINCY made 31 appearances in all competition, scoring 12 goals and getting 5 assists for Spartak. Shamar Nicholson, as you know, Jamaican centre-forward, 25-year-old, making 15 appearances for the Russian club, scoring 8 goals and wrapping up 2 assists. And last but not least, Victor Moses, 31-year-old, right midfield. Victor Moses appeared in 33 games for Spartak, scoring 3 goals and wrapping up 5 assists. So there you have it, the nominees for Spartak Moscow's Player of the Season. We know Shamar is in it, only have half a season, did pretty well in half a season, but I don't think he'll be winning it. You guys can always try and go and vote, but I think there are 2 or 3 players that have had a better season than Shamar. But if you're going to give him for his impact in the second half of the season, definitely Shamar. Without a shadow of a doubt, he had played well, made an impact for Spartak, so good season for Shamar. All in all, it was a good season for Shamar Nicholson, even if he doesn't win this, Player of the Season, because he has been playing well in Belgium and his form carried over into Russia, despite the war and all the, conditions, going over into a new country, new league in Russia, fighting against racism and all those factors. He did well in the second half of the season. So congratulations goes out to Shamar Nicholson. Whatever happens, a great season for Shamar. So fans, let me know in the comment section below, who do you think will win this Player of the Season for Spartak Moscow? Do you think Shamar has a chance? Let me know in the comment section below. And always remember, like, share and subscribe.